Hello everyone, this is our class 4 and today in this class we will learn how to design a business card or a visiting card. I hope you all are liking my videos. If you have any question, any query, you can ask me, just text me and definitely I'll try to solve your problems, and do subscribe and like my videos. So today we will learn how to design a visiting card. This is a visiting card which I have designed, and I have taken reference also. This is a reference picture which I have taken from internet. This is a kind of a business card and a visiting card. Here we have, I have already told you how to select the page size. So this is the business card, this is the page size. I have taken a business card size here, and it is 3.5 inches by 2 inches, right? So this is, and I have taken landscape also. So how we have to design this business card, I have already prepared a few shapes here. How I prepared these shapes, I tell you. Go to the rectangle tool, click on the rectangle, make a small rectangle, change the color as we have done before, and if you click at the center, you can see again there are different nodes. These nodes help us to change the shape of that particular thing or a particular shape. So this is how I have designed all these. I have these shapes, these abstract shapes. Now what I have done, after drawing these rectangles and these shapes, what I did, power clip, place inside the container, right? So I'll select all these shapes, and objects mein jaake again we have power clip, place inside the frame. This is what I have done. So these shapes have gone inside this frame. Two are left, so again I'll take these two shapes and will power clip them inside the frame. Okay, the same way. Go to the object, power clip, place inside the frame, right? So here what you can do is, this is your black background, this is your working area, and this is how I have adjusted all the shapes. You can use any kind of shape, you can take a circle, you can take abstract shapes and so on. This is how we have done. So here I have written the name, business name, whatever is your company name, your production house, you are working as an executive, so you can design accordingly. You can write the name of your firm, your company slogan, and here you can write the logo. This shape again you can so let me show you how. Here we have some, already we have star shape, right? So I took this star. Here it's very interesting, again whenever we click on any tool we can see we can change the size and sides of that particular shape. So I just reduce all these points and sides of the star, and this is how I did. I selected this star like this and I used it here as a logo of my firm, right? This is just for an example. You can change the color here like this. You can take it as a white. You can just shrink the shape, you can make it small, and you can use it as the logo of your company or a firm, right? So this is the image which I took. This is the back side of the visiting card here. This is the front of the business card, and this is at the back, because we need to put some details also about the owner, about your emails, your phone numbers and addresses, your location, everything. So this is how we have done. This is we have done with the help of the text tool, you know, and you have to be very particular, and you have to be very careful while using or while typing text. This is Aditya Sharma, art director. Just for an example, I have taken some fonts here. So it is very simple. If you're an executive, it should be very simple. This font should be very simple, right? And here again I have made a visiting card for you all. This is Mirage's photography. I have just taken this picture from internet. I just placed this picture inside the frame with the help of power clip, and here's the name of that photographer. I mean, it can be very simple also, very precise and simple. Again there is one more visiting card. Here I have taken a clip art of a lens or a camera, so that you can easily make out that this is a visiting card of a photographer, right? This is a very simple fonts I have used here, simple, still elegant fonts. So you can't take very fancy. It all depends on your profession and your occupation, whatever you're doing. that what kind of fonts we should select. Okay, and size according to the visiting card. As you have seen, the visiting cards are very small, but it should be readable at a glance. Okay, again we have this, you can take some reference picture from the internet. Here I have taken this picture and I have adjusted in the frame. It's just a simple picture I just downloaded and I adjusted in my workspace. Here I have written apparel Deepti and something, some text is also there about the email address, phone and location. So this is how you can design your visiting card, which is very simple. As we have done in our previous video, we have learned how to design an invitation card of birthday. So this is the visiting card this time, and I hope this is very simple and easy. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask me and please text me. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please message, and do like and share my videos so that I can come up with some more ideas, and in next video definitely we're going to learn something new and interesting. Thank you so much everyone. Goodbye.